Welcome back to the channel, gents. Let's talk about Kaizer Chiefs not announcing their new coach. Talk about Thabang Mathuludi. Talk about Neo Mayema, Wandile Duba. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and let me know your thoughts about everything that we're going to talk about in this video. Gents, if Kaizer Chiefs is not announcing their new coach, is it because bayazisola if it's him, Da Cruz? Bayibonile imibono yenu on the internet ukuthi how you guys feel about, because most of you are not happy that Da Cruz is being the one linked with the Kaizer Chiefs, heavily linked with Kaizer Chiefs, and it's multiple trusted sources that have reported this news that Fernando Da Cruz will be coming at Kaizer Chiefs. Are they regretting their decision, or it was just fake news, or they are trying to sign another guy, another coach? Why are they stalling? Why are they taking so much time to announce their new coach? Ngapha kukhona i-transfer window ezovulwa. Teams are trying to sign players. Kaizer Chiefs are supposed to be hiring this new coach. Coach omsha akhombe the players that he will need for next season. We cannot move on i-Kaizer Chiefs ingakam announce ucoach wayo omsha, engakabi pha eNaturena. Start working, see the players that he has, abone lapho kushota khona, and then ahamba yokhomba kwe-market. I want that player, that player, that player. Kaizer Chiefs have to move quickly in appointing this coach. Make it official. If you guys have any information on the new coach, let me know, bro. Any new information, don't tell me about Da Cruz being the coach. If it's true, yes, then mabam announce. Let me know if you have any new information about the new coach at Kaizer Chiefs. Okay, we're moving on to Wandile Duba being given a contract extension. He's only 21 years old. Obvious, Kaizer Chiefs were never going to let him leave on a free like that. The contract yakhe bizophela at the end of June, so they decided to give him another contract. I don't know ukuthi contract izophela nini, specifying the person who was reporting this. For sure, I'm sure they gave him nothing less than 2 years, because he's a youngster, only 21 years for sure. When the teams in Europe, North Africa, anywhere come looking for his signature, they have to pay imali. He's a youngster. Hopefully Umjita will grow into a player that gets wanted overseas, so that the Kaizer Chiefs can make money off of him if their teams were interested in him. So Kaizer Chiefs gave him that extension. Moving on to Ike Skalo Umjita, the guy who is at Simba SC, Neo Mayema. He's about to become a free agent. He signed a 5-year contract with the Mamelodi Sundowns back in 2021. Low 5-year we got at Simba SC on loan, because 2021, 2022, 3, 4, 5, 6, Pelilu 5 years. He's about to become a free agent. He's a number 10. Kaizer Chiefs need a number 10. We have Shabalala, Ethan Chislett, Funo Villagas who can play in that position. Gaston Sirino is leaving. I think a spot sivulekile phaya. Gaston Sirino, him leaving, we could do with a replacement engu Neo Mayema. Even if ebengahambanga, Neo Mayema is top talent. We need him. Shabalala, that position in some games iyamhlula, that number 10 position iyamhlula. So we need a player with experience like Neo Mayema. Umjita, Ethan Chislett akakasibonisi what we want from him. Mfundo Villagas has been played on the right wing most of the times at Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think he's ready to be a number 10 at Kaizer Chiefs. So we really would do with Neo Mayema coming to Kaizer Chiefs. Currently, Simba SC are interested in keeping him at their club. This means that he had a good season with them. I didn't even check his stats anymore. Again, the fact that they want to keep him, it means that Umjita is giving them exactly what they wanted from him. He's a good player. Mamelodi Sundowns, I don't think they would want to give him another contract, because they have played him. They have not played him for a very long time. They've kept him on the bench up until about the Mamse Quilon Simba SC. I don't think they would want to keep him. They have won Nuno Santos. They would want to keep him. because Umshishi bafethu, Umshishi is old. Nuno Santos, Umshishi is old. I think he's only staying for one more season with the Mamelodi Sundowns. They would do with Neo Maema, but the player, I don't think he wants to stay at Mamelodi Sundowns again. Neo Maema, I think he would love to play at a different team in PSL, because Uyasho Umbigo Uti, there are teams in PSL that are interested in Neo Maema, and I think Kaizer Chiefs is one of those teams. Kaizer Chiefs, you guys specialize in free agents, so please make sure that you get it done. Neo Maema, we need him. He will be a free agent at the end of June, so please make sure you get it done. Get it done. We need Neo Maema. Okay, we're also going to talk about who? Thabang Mathuludi. I think the Kaizer Chiefs, there were some reports that Kaizer Chiefs are also interested in Thabang Mathuludi. But now, Sitole Umbigo Oti, Orlando Pirates have made it their priority to try and get Neo Maema this transfer window, and these news are not good news, because the Orlando Pirates have a very good relationship with the Polokwane City. Polokwane City are probably going to give the Orlando Pirates a first, what do you call it, first choice preference, they are going to consider Orlando Pirates first other than any team in the Betway Prem. Kaizer Chiefs, I don't think we are going to get to Thabang Mathuludi, but Orlando Pirates have Uspelebele. They have this guy, Van Rooyen. Ushandu, I think, is still there. Utabiso Lebito, they let him go. Kwagwana Njabuti, they had 4 right backs. 4 right backs, that's great. Pure great. Orlando Pirates is slowly becoming like Mamelodi Sundowns in the idea. 4 right backs last season. Come on. But on the Kaizer Chiefs, hopefully they are going to get it done. Bayasho Apabati, Orlando Pirates, but the feeling at Orlando Pirates is that Thabang Mathuludi is the best right back in the league, and they feel like this is the right time to get him to Orlando Pirates. They've made him their top priority. They want him. They really want him, and they're probably going to get him. We have Uri Frosler, who's probably going to leave, Solomons, and Thabiso Monyane, who are injury prone. I think we would do with a Thabang Mathuludi. Mathuludi would become a starter at Kaizer Chiefs. If you guys, any one of you, is close to him, please convince him. At Kaizer Chiefs, you will be a starter. At Orlando Pirates, you will have to compete with Uspelebele. You will have to compete with Van Rooyen. So you won't be a starter. Yes, you are the best right back in the league, but you would have a very tough competition competing with Uspelebele and Van Rooyen. So at Kaizer Chiefs, you would play. You would play, bro. Thabang, please choose Kaizer Chiefs. Make the right choice and come and join the Kaizer Chiefs. Smelebele and Van Rooyen at Orlando Pirates are going to give you a very, very tough time. Gandhi at Kaizer Chiefs, Figubes is starter boy. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think in the comments.